Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm at Lepink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that US regional banks fear continues and some bank stock shares tumble. The second thing I would like to discuss here is that, we're going to have this FOMC meetings press conference later today. And if Jerome Powell is not showing any sign of stopping this quantitative tightening and this strict policy, that can actually maybe stop a little bit this rally what we're witnessing right now. And the third topic I would like to discuss is that CoinBase is going international. So let's talk about these things in today's video. Don't forget, every day I put a couple of fresh videos here to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you and you would like to keep yourself up to date, then simply subscribe and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. So let's start it. And for start, let me share the screen. Let's start with the prices as usual. We can see that Bitcoin is actually tiny little bit up, 1.6% in the last 24 hours, about the same. Ethereum, that makes Ethereum price 1,861, while Bitcoin 28,561 US dollar. When we're looking at the top gainers, Tax is 16% up, Rocket Pool 8%, and Synthetics about 4%. Among the losers, we have Neo about 5% down, Immutable down 3.5%, and Singularity Net down 3%. When we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see this. To be honest with you, as you can see, kind of head and shoulders pattern is forming here. Excuse me. Which is a bearish pattern if that's happening. So it's not done yet. But actually we will see if we go under this 27,100-ish level, we break down, then we actually might continue. So I will watch this now closely, what's happening during the FOMC meeting, and also how much the market priced in, maybe the interest rate hike, the 25 basis points, and so on and so forth. So I think that is important. If this breaks here, then we can go actually further down. But when you zoom out, then you can see that we're still up quite a lot. But now, just generally speaking. But let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about the regional banks in the United States, because of First Republic. Many of their shares started to go down. So we did know that after bad news coming from the banking sector, especially now about regional banks, First Republic Bank, is the third one in the row this year, which failed. And of course, this makes worries in that field. And we can see that some of these banks' shares started to really go down. As you can see, PacWest was down 30%, Western Alliance 25%, Metrobank 20%. So it's quite significant. Here you can see it actually better. So you can see that curve when you zoom out on the monthly, how these started to go down. This is like PacWest. This is here Western Alliance, and so on and so forth. So these are just a couple of examples. And very interesting, when we're looking at the present situation, comparing it to 2008, what you can see here. So you can see here, first of all, the number of banks they actually failed, and here are the years. So this is 2008, 2009, 2010. So look, 2008, 25 banks. Then we had 2009, 140. Then we had 2010, 157. And then we have 92 in 2011. But most importantly, the black line here, so the second row, is the total assets in million, which actually was hurt. And this is the crazy part, because look at this here. When we're looking at 2023, and I couldn't find out the chart with 3 banks, but with 2 banks, yes. So we had already 2 in this year, and now the third one, First Republic, was added. We already almost at that level, but with First Republic, we are above it. But now I just cannot show it here on this one. But you should add this one to it. So, which is crazy because here we're talking about 300 something banks. And now to visualize it, here you can see it better. So here you have these 300 something banks. Here you have the years. And here you have the snowman. You have the First Republic Bank, you have Silicon Valley Bank, and Signature Bank, right? And these three banks, now let's go back here. Look at the total asset in $1 million. So it is quite significant, and it hasn't stopped yet. So just to visualize in what kind of situation we are right now. So it's probably can continue if the Fed continues with this. And also, let's talk about that topic now. So what the Fed is doing recently, increasing interest rates to pushing the inflation down. They said they're going to do it until it hurts something. Yes, the banking system, they did it. And but the question is, do they continue or not? And actually, in this article, we can see that crypto observers believe that Bitcoin rally may stall if Powell does not signal end of tightening. So at least something in there in his speech, even if they do this 25 basis point rate hike, if the press conference will finish without any clear signs of end of tightening, that actually can cause this as well, that maybe this kind of price increase stops for a while. So in this article, we can read that this aggressive pricing of pause and rate cuts means Powell needs to confirm the same during his presser, or else the Treasury yields and US dollar may bounce. An uptick in yields and the dollar has historically been bearish for Bitcoin. But, and there's another thing I would like to add, it also, if it hurts the banking system quite a lot, Bitcoin could be an alternative to the banking system, so where you would like to put your money, and that actually can push up Bitcoin price. So now you can see that we will see which one is going to happen. Even this can cause Bitcoin continue going up, but of course there are some pros and cons. So yeah, you cannot predict the future. We will see what's going to happen. Anyway, now for the rate hike, it goes 90%, 90.7 saying that it will be 25 basis points, 90.3 saying there will not be any rate hikes. Well, guys, if that's happening, that would be actually bullish for the market. Okay, and now let's move on to the CoinBase, because CoinBase is moving international. So Coinbase, I guess, is sort of fed up with the SEC and the crypto crackdown in the United States. So they made their decision and said they also moving now international. So as the cryptocurrency industry faces regulatory challenges in the United States, public crypto exchange Coinbase is moving forward with the global derivative platform. So on the 2nd of May, Coinbase announced that the launch of the Coinbase International Exchange, a new institutional platform designed for crypto derivative trading. And oops, I highlighted somewhere, but I just missed it. Anyway, they moving to the Bermuda. Where is that? Seriously? Kidding me. I just lost it. Anyway, bottom line is that I just can't find it now. Here another major crypto exchange, Gemini, also launched on US derivative platform on the 1st of May. The exchange is opening to customers about 30 jurisdictions worldwide, including Singapore, Hong Kong, Bermuda, El Salvador, Philippines, Thailand, and others. So I'm not surprised that they're looking for alternatives. Just staying in the United States and being full US-based company, it's dangerous. If you look at the things what happening in crypto in the United States, so they would like to make their moves to kind of survive, and this was a logical step, and I will not be surprised if other crypto companies from the US will do the same. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every day I bring you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, short videos, long videos. So if you'd like to keep yourself up to date in this topic, simply just subscribe. And when you subscribe the button all, then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out, and you won't miss anything. If you like this kind of content, hit the like button. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.